Classic forest floor, a mix of different moss textures, e.g. sheet moss, cushion moss, covering the substrate. Use small natural twigs and a few smooth river stones to mimic a natural woodland. Large traditional closed jar, mason jar, apothecary jar. Zen rock garden, minimalist design. Use a single, large striking stone, like dragonstone or lava rock, as a focal point. Keep the moss relatively flat, perhaps with a small area of white sand or fine gravel to represent a raked garden. Open, low-profile vessel like a glass bowl or shallow square container. Miniature mountainscape. Sculpt the substrate layer into a dramatic hill or ridge. Use mood moss or cushion moss to cover the slopes, and place jagged, smaller slate pieces near the top to look like rocky peaks. Medium to large closed jar with significant vertical space.
Fairy garden, gnome home. Incorporate a playful theme with miniature figurines, fairies, gnomes, tiny animals. Use varied moss to create soft lawns and add tiny decorative items like a miniature bench or mushroom replicas. The driftwood stump. Feature a piece of driftwood or bark as the main hardscape, making it look like an old tree stump in the forest. Use sheet moss to cover the bark and the surrounding ground. Hanging glass globe. A simple, airy design for a hanging spherical container. Focus on one type of vibrant moss like star moss and a single, carefully placed polished pebble for focus.